My package from Temu is here, and let's go open it together. Okay, let's see what we got here. So besides some little things, I got few dresses that I thought will be good for traveling. So they all supposed to be non-wrinkling. So my background is in fashion design. So as comfortable as I like to be when I travel, I also like to be fashionable. So let's see, dress 1, dress 2, dress 3, and dress 4. So now let's open them and see how they look on. I also want to show you this one. I ordered it previously also from Temu and I absolutely love it. I love the texture, I love the way it looks on. It doesn't wrinkle at all and it can be dressed up and down. So I just wanted to share this one with you as well, and I will show you how it looks on. Number 1. Wow, it's really soft. And I really like the color. Blue is my favorite color, if you haven't noticed yet. Now let's see it on. I totally love this fabric. It is so soft, so comfortable, and perfect for traveling. It will never wrinkle, so you can just stick it in your suitcase, even carry on. You don't have to worry about it ever being wrinkled. And I can see myself running around all day doing sightseeing, comfortable shoes, flip-flops, sneakers. This dress, perfect. So this one is a yes. I hope you can see it with my blue curtain behind. I actually didn't mean it to match my curtain, but it does. So let's move on to the next one. Next is this navy color. It's like light navy, dark blue. So the fabric is different. It's not as soft, but it's really, oh wow, this one will never wrinkle, which is perfect for traveling. I hope it's not too see-through, so we'll see how it looks on. Okay, I think this one is a keeper as well. It's very comfortable, also non-wrinkling fabric, which is most important for traveling. And I can absolutely see this dress being dressed up or down. Just picture it with beautiful belt, nice accessories, high heels, bag. I think it will look really nice for the evening and as well as for daytime. Just simple as is, with some comfortable shoes, running around. I can totally see this as being perfect dress for traveling as well. Next one is this colorful dress, which I really liked on the picture, so let's see how it looks in real life. Again, nice fabric. It is cute. This one I see wrinkles a little bit. So I hope it will be okay for traveling. I really like the dresses that don't wrinkle when I travel. All my clothes that doesn't wrinkle, obviously. So let's see it's on. I was really curious about this dress, how it will look on. And to be honest, I probably won't be using it much for traveling, but I do like it for the beach or running errands, and just wearing it for going out and about. So I do like it, especially I think this is perfect dress to wear to the beach. Swimsuit down there, it's colorful, summery, so definitely keeper, not for traveling most likely, but is a keeper for every day. And this one I'm excited about. It's all butterflies. Oh, look at that. Well, this one you won't see any wrinkles either way because it's so colorful. Wow, it's so cheerful. I'm excited to see this one on as well. I'm the butterfly. This was actually one of my favorites from the pictures, and I think it's cute. It's all butterflies. Makes me happy. Ooh, I actually have a perfect bag for it. What do you guys think? Isn't this perfect? I even had to change my shoes and earrings. I just couldn't help myself. What do you think, guys? I will put links to all of the dresses I showed you in the description. If you like anything and would like to order, the links will be there. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week, and please comment, and I would love to hear which dress was your favorite. I think I have my favorite. I will respond to you with my favorite, but I would love to hear from you. And please like my videos to help with YouTube algorithm so I can keep making new and fun content for you every week.